How you doing this morning? What's going on? Coming in to the Gilligallou. Hey, how are you doing today? What's going on? What's the good word today? How are you feeling? How are you feeling today? What's your thoughts about how you're feeling? Are you feeling distressed and distraught because of the situation? Or are you feeling all good? I think it's time to feel good. What do you think? I think we're going to do a couple things here this morning that is going to help with some of that, I believe. See if I can keep this camera on me here. Got a new little gizmo I'm working with here. Oh. Need to get my handlebars working a little better, I guess. Anyway, I want you to think about some fun things that you want to do. And we're going to do some fun things here this morning. And you're going to make it worthwhile. We're going to talk about a couple different birds. And we're going to talk about, do some things for the kids. So if your kids are around, get them in front of the computer. And we'll get this thing on this little stand here. And there we go. So, pretty nice day out there. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. We're open here at the Gilligallou today and again tomorrow. Friday, we might be taking a little leave. We've got some things to do, some places to go, some things to take care of. But we're going to be here as of today and tomorrow, which is the, I don't know what the hell today is, the 18th maybe. And but we're going to talk about a few different things this morning. So just hang tight. I'll be right back. Good morning. And how's everybody doing today? Are we having any kids around? Is there any kids on here? I'm not sure. You better check and ask them. Hello, is there any kids on here? Are we having any fun yet this morning? Ho, 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 I am. Hey, you know what? What? I think I'd like to talk about black-capped chickadees. Black-capped chickadee. Is that what I am? No, I'm sorry. You're not a black-capped chickadee. I'm sorry. In fact, what color is your hair? How could you be a black-capped chickadee if your hair's that color? Black-capped. Oh, I'm a pink-capped chickadee. No, you're the Gilligallou bird. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That's cool. I think so too. I think it's really good. Did you know what? Did you know that chickadees eat cheeseburgers? I think he's been drinking. No, I haven't. Chickadees eat cheeseburgers. Are you sure? Yeah, I am sure. Because every time I go to the barbecue and I have the barbecue on, I'll be standing there and the chickadees are yelling at me all the time saying, cheeseburger. I am not. Want me to prove it to you? Yes, I do, he says. Okay then, just wait. Hang tight. I gotta get my laptop. Okay. Is that a black-capped chickadee? Yes, it is. Aren't they pretty? I think they're really pretty. Everybody sees those around. They do? So listen, okay? And you'll hear him saying cheeseburger. And I want you to try and say cheeseburger when he says it, okay? You with me? Yeah. Here we go. Cheeseburger. 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 Ha! They really do eat cheeseburgers. Yay! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Can I have I'm sorry, I don't have any cheeseburgers. Oh. Why not? I was just talking about birds. I wasn't cooking. Oh. Well, are chickadees here all the time? Yes, they're here year-round. They spend their winters here. They move around a little bit, but they're here year-round. Isn't that cool? It's one of our main birds that we have there. They're all across the country, you know. Really? Better show me that. Okay, here it is right here on this map. See? Oh. So all that purple is where they live year-round. Oh. And do they nest in a nesting box, or do they have to be in a nesting nest on a nest in a tree nest? Is that the way you say that? They nest in nesting boxes. In fact, at my house, I have several nesting boxes for them. Oh, cool. Who else uses a nesting box? Well, lots of birds use nesting boxes. Oh, yeah? Sure. Nuthatches and wrens and all kinds of birds use nesting boxes. We have some right here. Do you want to see one? Yeah. Okay, help me go and get it. Okay, we'll be right back. I know, isn't it awesome? Sure is. Can I have a nesting box? No, you have your own nest. Oh. But we'll show everybody else. Isn't that a pretty one? Wow! That's a beautiful nesting box. Who nests in that? Well, everything like wrens and swallows and chickadees and nuthatches and eastern bluebirds and all those kinds of birds nest in there. Way cool, man. You betcha. You betcha. Well, that's pretty interesting stuff, don't you think? Yeah, it's really, really cool. You got lots of stuff here at our Gilligallou bird store. We do indeed, for sure. We have all kinds of things. Do you think we should show people around? Yeah, that'd be a really good idea. Okay, well, let's do that. Here we go. I gotta put this nesting box down. Okay, we'll be right back. Hello. Wow, look at those guys. Those guys are cool. Yeah, they're suet feeders. Suet? Yeah, do you not know what suet is? No. Well, you should. You work here, don't you? No. I don't. I mostly sit over there on that stick. It's not that much fun, you know. Oops, probably shouldn't say stuff like that. Oh, sorry about that. Show them around. Yeah, look at all this stuff here. All kinds of things here at the Gilligallou.